This is a National Autosport Association technical inspection form. And on this form is everything they check on your car when you take it in for tech inspection on a track day or a track weekend. Per usual, I've got a track day tomorrow, and I'm just now going over the car, and I know that this car won't pass a tech inspection because under the engine section, fluid leaks, oil, fuel, water, I'm leaking fuel. And I think I'm leaking fuel from the top of the gas tank. So, my friends over at ViR World overnighted me some parts. I need a razor, as I cut my finger already. Stickers. Gummies. I'm sure I'll eat those soon. Oh, sweet, a t-shirt. And the fuel pump assembly gasket. So let's not waste any time, and let's go ahead and install this. Oh, I did, however, already verify that the trailer does work. A bunch of bugs fell out of it, but... Whew. By the way, it's heat index of 100 and something today, and it's hot, so let's get started. So the first thing I would like to do is get the pressure out of the fuel lines. And since I don't know which one of these plugs is the fuel pump, uh-oh, did I just break something? I'm gonna unplug everything and try and start it to relieve as much pressure as possible. Can I fit into this jungle gym of a roll cage? Ugh, come on. 1, 2. All right, in case both plugs fit. All right, let's try and start this thing and wait for the fuel to run out. So now when I pry off these one-time use fancy Euro clamp things, they won't spray fuel everywhere. Okay, this appears to kind of work. Let's rotate you this way. Oh, these clamps come off. Can I cut them? Oh, oh, cut. I reckon that did. Ow! All right, there's one. Oh yeah! All right, beer break. So according to the internet, I should just be able to hammer this ring out. No drama. Can you imagine if the people at Tech Inspection were like, was this work performed by a professional? God, I feel like we all be f***ed. Oh, roll bar, don't be in the way. Do the twist. Okay. Wow, my tank was empty. I had like no fuel in there, but that makes sense. I think the last time I went out, I ran out of fuel, and that's why I came back in. Let's take a look at this seal. Don't look like there's leaking to me. Alright, whatever. Let's put this fragile thing in without breaking nothing. Whoop, whoop. How do you go in and nothing snaps? Go in, don't snap. God, bless your tight. There we go. Get in there. Whew. If it's hot today. Get the fuel vapors out of here. All right, bring back in. Maybe we should tappy tap, tappy tap. I should pay my roll cage. Add it to the list. Real close to another beer break. Real close to another problem. All right, be nicer. You want to be a track car. You want to go on the track. So allow me to fix you. There you go. All right, got the magic gloves on. Oh, yeah, totally. Wreath cross-threaded? Oh, mother. Alright, let's get some clamps on that. Let me check my assorted European, just kidding, Chinese style assorted clamps. Okay. I don't see any fuel leaks. Let's go fill her up at the gas pump. Be right back. Alright, so that seal appears to have fixed the fuel leak. Good news there. So let's fill out this tech sheet. Fluid leaks, oil, fuel, water, check, none of those. Radiator overflow. Not overflowing. check. Radiator hose is good. Battery secured, check. Terminals covered, yes. Brakes felt great when I drove it. Yep. All right, so nothing left to do now but panic pack per usual and get her on the trailer. Tomorrow we head down to ViR. All right. All right, so we gotta take a quick pit stop for an eye exam at Costco. Yeah, I get my eyes checked at Costco.
How fast are you gonna be driving?
120.
Okay, well that's kind of fast.
Yeah.
With other cars?
Yes.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, maybe we're gonna put your extra lenses you have in your car.
Really?
Well, let's just see. Let's just put them in.
Yeah, let's put them on and give me an eye test and we'll see if they're...
There you go.
Yeah. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, the one on the line is slightly blurry. DKZOS.
Yeah. It's still 2020.
Okay.
Yeah. From here, you get to the racetrack and see how you felt.
Okay.
If you don't feel good enough, just change to the...
I mean, the cars are bigger than that bottom line.
It's not hard. Don't forget to put your safety glasses on while working in cars, sir.
All right.
Very important stuff.
All right, got it. Got it. Cool. You heard it here, folks. We're safety glasses. All right. Now let's go to ViR. All right, so on the way down, hit a crazy storm and lost a window on the highway. Good news is my driver's side's still in there, but everything's kind of wet. So, anyway, I guess we're gonna get dinner now.
Watch this be locked. Watch this be locked. Son of a bitch.
Oh, God.
You're not allowed to. You ain't allowed. What's going on?
I mean, that's
What's
why I
up,
use
bud?
the tires.
Oh man, you should have warned me so I could suck the belly in. Oh, I can feel that big guy. Oh.
All right, so yeah, like I was saying, on the way down, I hit a crazy storm, and this plexiglass window actually blew out, and so yeah, I don't have a window here. So put the cover back on, and hopefully that keeps the water out from the storm that's coming.
Josh, yeah, I think the storm followed you.
Well.
Thanks for bringing it, bud.
It's nice to have an all-hands meeting. I'm going to get. I know that for those that are veterans, I know this is it's a long meeting sometimes because a lot of the stuff you've heard. But it is always good to have a little repetition. I know I've got a reputation, not necessarily a good one, but anyway, it's good to have some repetition to make sure everybody understands and everybody's on the same page, because the main goal here is that everybody has fun, everybody is safe.
so just a little midday update. I just did 2 sessions. It is so incredibly hot. And yeah, the car is running great. Fuel leak is fixed, but I just got him over here cooling down. Pretty heat soaked. I'm heat soaked. Track's getting greasy. I think every braking zone I'm into, the ABS is kicking on, and actually I felt the brakes get a little soft on the last run, so I think really looking forward for the sun to go down so I can drink beer later and just hang out. But all in all, it's a great day.
Sleeping Beauty.
Is he really in there?
Yeah. He's drooling on himself.
Are you taking a nap?
Hell yeah, it was.
Oh, you hear that, Craig?
Thunder, thunder! Sunday, Saturday!
That's pretty good.
Thunder!
Well, that's a little bit of a bummer. We got some rain coming, some clouds, some storms. But thanks to Brian over here, he's lended me his tent, so I don't have to worry about water coming in. Thanks, Brian.
Anytime.
Okay, so I'm trying to debate. We're still at a lightning delay. Do I want to just call it quits, drink a beer, or do I want to hold out and wait?
You can tell where my decision was made. Josh, get with it.
I'll go get you a beer. Be right back.
What time is it?
We have Modelo and Miller Lite.
It's already 6?
6 o'clock.
5:50.
It's over, boys and girls. Wrap.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably at the rebuild stage, you know,
I mean, I'd say like people who like track a car would rebuild their struts, so, you know.
He's back.
Fucking, I hit it that time. That son of
Are you
a bitch.
allergic to these? Bean salad and
I'm good with salads. I don't want it.
We got what now?
oh, heaven.
We got a little bit of everything.
This is good. Yeah, it's really good. Are they good?
These guys do nothing wrong. That's their daily update.
I have more. I
think you need more. So when the track closes early, you have to babysit sometimes. Luckily, there's beer.
And now let's shave your head.
It's always important to promote creativity and support creativity in today's youth.
And lawlessness.
Remember, the rules are made to be
What was
broken.
that? Did you just breathe into my eyeball?
Oh yeah. We need the puppet.
Get it.
All in there.
We need the puppets to make holes in his face?
What? Yeah.
They have the poppets to put holes in my face.
Welcome to fatherhood, Josh.
So remember, NASA Mid-Atlantic is a very family-friendly atmosphere. Really caters to the whole. I mean,
I agree. Ouch.
So Josh, how much do you charge an hour to come over and watch our kids? I know, right?
how old are your kids?
5 and 7.
No. The answer's no. The answer's no.
Mine will watch him.
I'll watch you.
Cheers.
I'll cheers to that.
Hey,
Sneaky bite.
Well, this concludes another fun weekend at the track. Glad the car worked, fuel did not leak, and all in all, had a great time with friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.